Hello. All good things must come to an end, and for me the last broad bean harvest signals the end of the summer crops, and that I should be planning and sowing seeds for harvests during autumn, winter and the spring. These broad beans are now done. I mean, they've still got beans on them, but that's it. They're done. End of the season. So time to take them out. Broad beans are one of my favourite crops, so I tend to leave them in longer than other people, hoping to get a few more beans. Well, that's that for another year. I got a few meals out of those bean plants, so I'd call that a win. It was a bit weedy at the end, but when a crop is close to harvest, I don't waste time constantly weeding it. I'll pull out everything when the crop ends and re-prep the bed. Normally I would cut the stems close to the ground and leave the roots in the ground. But let's take a look at the roots to show you a couple of things. Now I'll pull this one out. People say, oh no, broad beans once they're done, they don't leave any nitrogen in the nodules. But you can see, hopefully you can see if I clear it up a bit, the actual nodules are still there. Most of the nitrogen has been used up, but the nodules containing the nitrogen fixing bacteria are still there and will continue to provide nitrogen to other soil organisms as they decay. So if you cut broad beans and leave the roots in, then well, that's a good bit. You can see that it does actually leave those nodules in the ground and they'll continue to provide nitrogen for other plants. Because most people say, oh no, once the beans have produced the pods, that's it, there won't be any nitrogen left in the roots. But you can see quite clearly that there are. If I can get that bit of weed off. This one also came out when I was trying to pull the support out. I grew these in toilet rolls, and you can see that it actually never really grew much beyond the toilet roll. I mean, that bit came out, and that bit that was above the toilet roll because I put it in deep, planted it in deep. That bit came out and rooted around, but the actual toilet roll did not disintegrate and let the roots spread. So I won't be using toilet rolls again. Right, well that's all the broad beans that was left. There's a couple of ones where the actual pods have dried, or they've started to dry. I could use these for seeds, let them dry out and use them for seeds, but I won't. So that's another meal. They're various sizes, but it'll do. The smaller ones I'll just cook whole in the pods, and the bigger ones I can pod. Well, that's that for another year. In the next two videos we'll be looking at updates on the two allotments. So goodbye for now and come back soon.